This is today's natural hair and I'm actually okay with it for once. Also, how cute is my sweatshirt? It's literally me. 20% off Coconut Lane with the code FABPAN20. Links down below, my friends. But anyway, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just gonna be a little life update. I'm gonna catch you up on where I'm at on my life because I feel like it's been a long time since we had just a chat. So if you are into that of teenagers trashing hotel rooms and harassing random members of the public, this video probably not going to be for you. There's no real agenda to this video. I just want to talk a bit about what I have planned for 2018 and how I'm feeling and all the stuff that's probably going to feel like you're watching a therapy session. But here we go. It's all fun and games on this channel. 2017 was a bit of a funny year for me. There were things that were happening in my personal life that were just horrendous. Little bits of it I spoke about on camera, but the majority of it was just things that I didn't want to share with the world. It was just things that were happening in my own life, and you don't have to share everything, even if the internet is your job. Work-wise, 2017 was okay. It was definitely not my best working year. Definitely the highlight of my working career last year was the campaign I did with The Body Shop on their body butters. But other than that, it really wasn't my best year on YouTube. I feel like the year before that was like my peak, which I'll get onto later on in this video. So generally, we're off to a very positive start. 2017, not good. I am so determined to make the end of 2018 completely different to the end of 2017. I want to feel like I'm in a more stable place. I want to feel happier. I want to feel like I've had a more satisfying year. So I've made myself a few little goals for this year and I'm going to share them with you. Some of them are big things, some of them are like really little things. So I have them on my phone on a little app called Happy Goals, highly recommend. So the first goal that I have for this year is to do with YouTube. And basically, if you did not know, I used to have an intense phobia of dogs. I'm now completely over that and I absolutely love dogs. And I've had a lot of comments on my channel asking me to make a video about this phobia and how I got over it and that a lot of people can relate to it. So one of the main videos that I really want to make this year is I want to travel to Battersea Dogs and Cats Home, which isn't too far from me. It's in London. And I want to make a video where I talk about my phobias, but also I like showcase how I am with dogs now. And at the same time, it's promoting the dogs. And maybe, just maybe, one of them will find a home through that video. So that's something that I really want to do purely because I've had so many questions about it. And I feel like if I can get over such an intense phobia that I had, anyone can get over anything. Another thing that I hope to accomplish this year is being 100% confident with driving. I passed my driving test in May 2017. I've got a car and everything, and I am all right at driving. In my instructor's car, absolute breeze. I was fine, I passed first time, I didn't have many minors at all, but then I really struggled with the transition from my instructor's car to my own car. I don't know if this is like a general thing. I've spoken to a couple of people and they felt the same, but I don't think they felt the same to the extent that I feel. When I first got in that car, I thought I was gonna have to start lessons again. I was like, I'm gonna have to learn in this car with my instructor because I just cannot do it. There was one time in particular that I went out in my car and it was the worst driving experience I have ever had. Every roundabout, I stalled my car, and it gets to a point where it's awkward because it's the same person driving behind you. It got to the point where it was so bad I had tears streaming down my face as I was driving home. My arms were shaking, my legs were shaking, the tears were like running like there's no tomorrow. That time really shook me up, and every time I've been out in my car since then I can't stop thinking about that time that happened. It's really holding me back that I still can't drive to places that are far away. Not even far away, like if something's about 20-25 minutes away, I would struggle so much to do that in my car. I don't know why, I've just got this psychological block with my own car. A little thing that I want to do this year is learn how to make a roast that's as good as my mum's. My mum always does everything from scratch when she makes a roast. She does the potatoes, she does fresh veg, she does the chicken, she makes the Yorkshire puddings. Every aspect of a roast my mum hand makes. I want to be able to make a roast as good as my mum's. So far I can do a roast that's like M&S, stick it in the oven for 25 minutes. So I want to learn how to do it properly. This is the year that I'm going to vlog more. I feel like towards the end of last year I did start vlogging more and I did weekly vlogs and things like that, and I enjoy vlogging so much. They are not the most popular videos on my channel, but I enjoy it, and I know that if I keep vlogging it will force me to actually do more with my life, which I will also be able to do when I can drive more confidently. So it kind of like goes hand in hand. I'm hoping to get to the level where like weekly vlogs are a regular thing, but we'll have to see. I mean, baby steps, baby steps. I want to do the 30-day squat challenge 6 times this year. That is every other month. I've missed January because it got to the 2nd of January and I realised I'd forgot. So if you don't complete day 1, you can't start on day 2, you've got to wait for the next month. I'm sorry, that's just how it is. So I've decided that every other month I'm going to do the 30-day squat challenge. Is it going to happen? Probably not. Am I going to try my best? Probably not. But it's the thought that counts. This year I'd like to go on a couple of holidays. I want to go on like a fully relaxing holiday. I'll probably go with my parents, maybe my brother and his girlfriend, I'm not sure. My boyfriend isn't medically allowed to go abroad yet, so unfortunately this year will not be the year that me and Tom go on holiday together. But I'd also like to go on like a little city break with Tom, even in this country. I would really like to go to another film premiere this year. I think it was 2016 that I went to the Bridget Jones premiere with one of my best friends, Chelsea. It was so much fun, honestly, one of my favourite nights of my entire life. I would love to go to another film premiere, specifically like a rom-com, because it was so much fun and I'd love to bring Chelsea with me. Okay, and then my final goal for this year, which is probably the reason you have clicked on this video, is to do with my career. I feel like right now I don't have a place on YouTube. I'm not sure if it's a phase that I'm going through or if this is just what YouTube has become, but from a creator's perspective, I feel like YouTube is all about who can shout the loudest and that's it. It used to be really genuine. People would just make pretty mundane videos, I'm not gonna lie, but that was what people enjoyed watching. It was just a nice community. It felt like everyone was friends, everyone was backing each other, everyone was supporting each other. Now it is the complete opposite. It could not be more different to how it used to be. And I see a lot of people saying that they wish YouTube was how it was in 2014, and I do agree. I feel like now it's just about people being irritating. That's what people want to see. They want to see people being loud and obnoxious, and I do not understand it in the slightest. This is no shade to anyone in particular. This is just what I see the platform as now. And I'm not that kind of person, do you know? I'm just chill. I just want to make the videos that I want to make. But the thing is, when people say that they want YouTube to be like it was in 2014, that's not impossible. The whole YouTube culture and the videos that are popular are based on what the viewers watch. Oh, it's so difficult to word because I don't want to offend anyone, obviously. But if people who are complaining about what YouTube has become are also supporting what YouTube has come by watching those videos, it's not going to change. If you want to see the old 2014 YouTube, people are still making those types of videos. 2014 YouTube still exists if you want it to exist. I did a tweet about this the other day, but I honestly cannot believe how damaging clickbait has become to genuine content creators such as myself, such as other smaller YouTubers who are just making the videos they want to make, the videos that were popular in 2014. No one is watching them. Basically, I just don't like what YouTube has become now. I absolutely love making videos and I'm so in two minds about it because I'm making the videos that I want to make, but, and I'm going to have to talk about money now, making the videos I want to make aren't making the money that I need to make. And I know that making videos is not about the money and it never ever has been for me. However, if I want to keep on making the amount of videos that I make and spending the time that I put into my videos, then it needs to pay a wage that could be my full-time job. And if it's not, then I'm gonna have to get another job and I'm gonna have to spend less time on my videos and probably upload a lot less regularly. I feel so nervous talking about this, but obviously I'm getting to an age now where YouTube can't just be like a sideline hobby. I need to start earning a proper wage. But the one thing I'm not prepared to do that is to try and manipulate my viewers. I do not want to start putting red arrows on things, making things seem really exciting, irritating the general public. I don't want to do that, which is why I am going down another career path. Quite frankly, I don't know what's going to happen to my YouTube channel this year. If the tables completely turn and genuine people making genuine videos starts to be the most popular thing on YouTube, well hey, that'd be great. Please let that happen because I absolutely love doing YouTube so much. Right now, YouTube is on a downward spiral, I'm just going to say it. It's just going downhill and the wrong types of people are becoming popular. The wrong type of influence for young people is being pushed on YouTube, and that's not an industry that I want to stay in. I don't want to be embarrassed telling people that I'm a YouTuber if being a YouTuber starts to have a bad reputation. So the career path that I'm starting this year is completely different. It has nothing to do with media. I'm not going to go too far into it because I feel like it's quite ambitious, but my main goal for this year is to start something new. Ideally, I would like to do this new job and YouTube about 50-50. I still want to do YouTube. I just hope that the platform changes for the better sooner rather than later, is basically what I'm trying to say. I definitely feel like I rambled. I hope I made sense. I hope that I haven't upset anyone in this video. I just wanted to share with you my goals and where I'm at and how I feel right now. And I feel like I've got a lot off my chest. So that is what I'm hoping for this year, the little things and the big things. Maybe I'll come back back to this video this time next year if I'm still on YouTube and give you an update and let you know how it all went. Please do let me know in the comments down below, first of all, how you feel about YouTube right now, because I'd be really intrigued to see it from the viewer's perspective. And second of all, let me know, what is your New Year's resolution this year? What do you hope to achieve? I would love to know. Do subscribe to my channel to see what future videos bring. Who knows? We're all in this together. But anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!